everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to update software version for your earbuds SHOKZ OpenRun Pro 2 Mini. You have to start by open SHOKZ application, and of course you need to add your earbuds to the app. Then you will see the same menu and we need to go to the settings at the right top. Then click at the settings and go to upgrade firmware. Firmware is the same as software. Now your headphones must be 50% charged or higher, and then you can click update now. Don't use your earbuds until this update finished. Now I'm going to speed up it for you and then I will show you successful update. Then click done, and we did it. We can also return to the upgrade, and as you can see, we did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!